Let's start using the Kawasaki Leisure Bike's chatbot. Step 1. In your Kawasaki Leisure Bike's Facebook page, click Send Message. It's on the upper right of your screen. Step 2. Once a chat window pops up, click Get Started. Step 3. You will be asked if you agree to share your contact information with us. This is in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. If you agree, please click Agree and Continue. To view the complete data privacy policy, click the Privacy Policy. This will bring you to the Kawasaki website. Now, type in your first name and last name. Likewise, type in your contact numbers. You may now select from the following options. A. If you want to inquire about the Kawasaki Leisure Bike models and their specs, colors, and SRP, click Motorcycle. B. If you want to inquire about parts, click Spare Parts. C. For your service needs, click Service. You may also select from the following options. A. If you want to find out about the Kawasaki Krib nearest you, click Dealer. B. For your other concerns, such as new models, job vacancies, and the like, click Others. For faster information, you can actually directly type in the motorcycle model of your choice to view the model's product details. Likewise, you may also directly type in your location to find out which Kawasaki Krib is closest to you. From there, you can find their contact details, such as mobile number or telephone number, Facebook page, and their location. For parts, just type the word parts, then type in which particular part and for what model. You will be quickly prompted for your location. After which, a Kawasaki representative will be contacted to assist you by phone or via live chat. Lastly, to quickly address your query on service, select Service from the main menu or simply type Service. A menu will prompt you to choose your location. You may then select from any of the Kawasaki Kribs or a Kawasaki service shop nearest you. To know their contact information and location, click on the Dealer Details button or the Kawasaki Service Shop button.